How to increase watch time on YouTube, the secret to explode growth. I'm Tendai, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to increase your watch time on YouTube and why it's the most powerful thing you can do to grow your channel. Most creators focus on getting clicks, just clickbait. So they forget what matters most after that. After you get a click, then what? So keeping the viewer watching is the key. Watch time is the number one signal the YouTube algorithm uses to decide if your video should be promoted. Yeah, if people click and leave, the algorithm stops pushing the video. If people stay and even better still come back, then it's going to go wider, the discoverability. So the entire goal of your YouTube video is simple. Keep people watching as long as possible. Keep them on the app, on the platform, YouTube platform. Let's start with the first thing that affects watch time, the beginning of your video. The first 15 seconds of your video are everything. If the viewer isn't hooked right away, they will leave. You don't need a fancy intro, yeah, and you don't need to play it all the time. You need to immediately show the viewer what they will get from your video and why they should care. A quick teaser, a bold question, or a fast promise works, but it has to be clear and strong. Don't waste time telling your name or saying welcome back unless you're already famous. Just get on with it. Just talk. Deliver your message. Like, get them hooked. They don't care. They're just passing by. But if they start caring because you talk of what you're giving them, then they're going to stay. Okay? Once you've hooked them, you need to deliver value fast. Don't drag it out. Don't ramble. Don't go round in circles. Give them the answer, the insight, the solution, or at least the path to it. How to get to the solution. If the video feels like it's going nowhere, they will click off. They get bored and they're gone. Even worse, they might click on a related video from someone else. Stuff that's, the suggested that is on the side, all those videos, they will click and go. Okay? And now YouTube is sending traffic to them instead of you. You also need to control the pacing of your video. If you speak too slowly or pause too much, people get bored. If you talk too fast, welcome to the channel, yeah, that's too fast. Without giving the brain time to process, they will zone out. Anybody would, I would as well. The best pacing is smooth, natural, and keeps things moving forward, basically. Yeah. So break the content into short section, change visuals regularly, and out any parts that feel repetitive. Yeah, out with them, right? One of the biggest reasons people drop off is because they don't know where the video is going. You have to guide them, tell them what to expect. Say things like, and in a minute, I will show you the part that really changed everything. Or, first, we will cover the basics. Then I will show you the exact way to fix this or exactly how to fix it. That gives people a reason to stay. You've promised them something and make sure you deliver. These are called open loops and they're incredibly effective for retention. If you want to retain people, use open loops. If you're not sure exactly or you're not understanding from this video, just go on Google, type open loops when recording a video. Okay, Google knows what you're talking about. It will give it to you. Now let's talk about the storytelling. You don't need to be a full-on entertainer, but every viewer wants to feel like they are being taken on a journey. Yeah, if you're teaching something, don't just list facts. Bish bash bosh. No, explain how you learned it, what went wrong, and what worked, and how the viewer can apply it. It's basically That's linking to reflection process. So reflection. So reflect on this. And a good story, even a short one, creates emotion. Emotions keeps people watching, and YouTube love emotions. Okay. Another tip is to make your content visually dynamic. If you are on camera, change angle occasionally. Okay. Use zooms, text overlay, or B-roll footage to break up the visual. If you are doing faceless content like most people now are doing, even subtle motion or changing slides can help. Static visuals lead to boredom. Static pictures and images leads to boredom if you are using AI, and boredom leads to clicks away. Okay, clicks away. You know what that means to your channel, don't you? Yeah. Keep an eye on your audience retention in YouTube analytics. Very, very important. You need to be in YouTube Studio every day, literally. Look at your YouTube analytics. The graph will show you where people are dropping off at what second. If they're dropping off after the intro, then don't make your intro long. Shorten it. If you always see a dip at the same time, like the intro or the section where you switched on, that's your signal to change something. Don't guess. Use data. Yeah, the data or the data that you've been given by YouTube in analytics is very, very crucial. So if you see a dip at the end of the intro, that means your intro is too long and boring. Change it. Just put something quickly and you start jumping into this what you are doing a video for. Next is your ending. Most creators end their videos weekly. They just say thanks for watching and leave it there. You need to use an ending to extend the viewer's session. Yeah, YouTube loves long sessions. At the end of your video, always recommend another video of yours. Say, if you found this helpful, you want to watch this, or you want to watch this next. Yeah, and point them to your next video. Talk about, click this video on the left here, go to this side on the right side, watch it. Yeah, things like that. Point it to them, and on end screen, give them a reason to keep watching you, not someone else. You focus on you. If you can lead viewers from one video to the next, you increase not just watch time for that one video, but your entire channel. That's a good signal. That really signals to the algorithm that your content keeps people on YouTube, on the platform, and that it's exactly what YouTube rewards. YouTube will reward you immensely. Try it. Consistency also plays a role. If you upload once a month, people forget your style. If you post randomly, here, there, whatever, when you finish editing your post, you finish, have a routine. It's harder for people to trust your pace. People that are following you, they can't trust you. But if you post consistently and each video holds attention, your channel builds trust with the viewer and the system. For example, we have some people that we love to watch. You wake up in the morning checking, have they posted yet? Have they posted yet? That's how people keep coming back to the channel. So let's be clear. It's not about making your videos longer. Yeah. It's about keeping people engaged for as long as possible. A 4-minute video with 80% watch time is more powerful than a 12-minute video where most people leave in 2 minutes. Should I repeat that? A 4-minute video with 80% watch time is more powerful than a 12-minute video where most people leave in 2 minutes. Watch time is about quality, not just quantity. Don't just push numbers. I need to do videos every day. No, you need quality videos, not just big numbers. If you are struggling to get people to stay, go back and watch your videos like a viewer. Come out from the creator's world. Look at it as if you're another person. Would you stay past the first minute? Ask yourself that. Are you making them wait too long to get to the point of the video? Are you repeating yourself? Are your visuals boring? Fix those things and watch time will go up, sometimes instantly. Yeah. Sometimes people will talk about if you've done it at home, you're trying to fix a washing machine. You want to look for how to fix a washing machine. The person is talking, talking, talking. You're holding spanners in your hands, literally. You want to get to the point. Okay. So when watch time improves, everything else follow. More impressions, more recommendations, more views, and more subscribers. So to recap quickly, hook the viewer fast. Keep your pacing sharp. Okay. Use open loops. Guide the flow. Right. Tell short stories. Use visual changes. Study your retention graph in the analytics. Yeah. Google in YouTube Studio. And always direct people to another video. At the end, lead them on to another video of yours, not somebody else's. So this is how you increase watch time, and this is how you grow on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, check out my next video right here on the left here, where I will show you how to increase click-through rate. See you there.